Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you step by step how to withdraw money from Trust Wallet. To withdraw money from Trust Wallet, first you need to send your crypto to your exchange of choice. Once you do that, and then you could transfer it to your bank account if you want to. Once you sell your coins, that's the only way you transfer money from Trust Wallet into your bank account. First, you have to transfer to your trusted exchange, for example, Coinbase or Binance or KuCoin, whichever one you want, or any other exchange that you are comfortable with. That's how you withdraw money from Trust Wallet to your bank account. So to go through the steps, first go to your Trust Wallet. To do that, you click on your mobile and log in your Trust Wallet. Once you log in, and then you've got list of coins that you want to withdraw. For example, let's just say you've got some BNB or USDT or Polygon or whichever coin that you have on there that you want to transfer. Once you click that, then you click where it says send. Then when you click send, then you are required to put in the address of the coin that you want to send. For example, if you want to send it to Binance, you will put the BNB of the Binance address that you want to send it to, and how much you want to send, and the memo address. So once you do that, then you click next, and that's how you withdraw it. Make sure you follow the instructions of the app and the exchange step by step. And when transferring money from Trust Wallet to any exchange, it is crucial to use the correct network and exercise caution. Here are additional tips to help ensure a smooth and secure transfer. First, verify the exchange's supported network. Different exchanges support various blockchain networks. Before initiating a transfer, confirm that the exchange supports the specific network of the cryptocurrency you intend to send. For instance, if you hold Binance Smart Chain coins, ensure that the exchange accepts the Binance Smart Chain deposits. Number 2, select the correct network in the Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet supports multiple networks, including Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and others. When initiating the transfer, double-check that you have selected the correct network matching the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Sending coins to wrong network might result in permanent loss. Step 3. Review transaction details. Before confirming the transfer, carefully review the transaction details in Trust Wallet. Ensure that the recipient's address is correct and the corresponds to the exchange you are sending funds to. Additionally, confirm the amount and any associated fees. Step 4. Consider transaction fees. Cryptocurrency transfers often involve transaction fees. Take note of the fee structure and ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the transaction fee. Insufficient funds for fees may result in failed transfer. So, for example, if you are transferring USDT of $100, make sure you will transfer $98 rather than $100. For that $2 to be fees. Or send $99, see if the fee will cover $1 or not. So always make sure you send less than the amount that it's in your wallet, because fees need to be paid. So step 5, start with a small test amount. So if you're not sure what exchanges you're sending, whether it will accept it or not, send a small amount. If you are transferring significant amount of cryptocurrency for the first time, consider sending a small test amount initially. This allows you to verify that the transfer is successful and the funds are properly credited to your exchange account. Once you have confirmed the test transfer, you can proceed with the full amount. Step 6. Keep track of the transaction. After initiating the transfer, monitor the transaction status. You can use Blockchain Explorers or the exchange's interface to track the progress of your transfer. This way, you can ensure that the funds are moving expected and reach their destination. By adhering to these additional precautions, you can minimize the risk of sending cryptocurrencies to the wrong network and ensure a secure transfer process from Trust Wallet to any exchange you wish to transfer your crypto. And finally, to transfer to your bank account, follow your chosen exchange's rules, how they transfer to your bank account. Every exchange is different the way they transfer it. Mainly it's similar, but all you have to do is connect it to your bank account and they will automatically transfer it too. So that's how you withdraw money from Trust Wallet to your choice of crypto exchange, then finally to your bank account. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.